Welcome to GeniusQuizArena's Scrambled Animal Challenge. You'll see animal names with the vowels removed. Can you figure them out? You've got 10 seconds per word. Each correct guess scores you 1 point. Keep track of your score and comment how many you got at the end. Ready to unscramble some wild minds? Before starting, please subscribe to GeniusQuizArena for more exciting quizzes every day. Let's go for the easy level. Lion, the king of the jungle and your first crown. Here comes your next challenge. Brace yourself. Tiger, that guess was great. Ready for another beast to tame? Zebra, black and white, but your answer was right. This next one might strip you of confidence, or not. Bear, you're clawing your way through this quiz. Cat, perfect guess. Time to pounce on the next one. Dog, that answer deserves a treat. Sit, stay, and guess this next one. Wow, moodnificent job! Heard you like quizzes, so here comes the next one. Fox, sly move there. Let's outwit the next one, shall we? Duck, quacking good work. Waddle into this next one with confidence. Frog, you jumped right to the answer. Medium level, time to step up your game. Panda, that answer was black, white, and right. Let's see if you can bamboozle the next one. Koala, you hugged that answer tight. Climb into the next clue with style. Rabbit, you hopped on that one quickly. Time to chase the next. Monkey, you swung into the right answer. Hang tight, here comes the next one. Donkey, you kicked that guess into high gear. This next one's no jackass, or maybe it is. Camel, no hump in your reasoning there. Dolphin, you made waves with that answer. Surf's up for the next one. Parrot, you're talking the right talk. Repeat after me. Guess this next one. Giraffe, that guess reached new heights. Let's stretch for the next animal. Turkey, gobble gobble, you got it. No holding back. It's the hard level. Hyena, that guess was no laughing matter. Well done. Let's see what wildness the next one brings. Bison, you charged through that like a pro. Brace yourself, the next one's stomping in. Ocelot, not many get that one right. Impressive. Wombat, that's not a common one. Respect. Tunnel into this next tricky creature. Jackal, you sniffed that one out. Ferret, you snuck that one in nicely. Let's burrow into the next clue. Meerkat, standing tall on that answer. Pop up for this next brain teaser. Badger, that guess was downright tenacious. Dig deep for this next one. Ibex, you scaled that answer like a mountain goat. Climb into the next one, if you dare. Tapir, you tapped into something special there. Impossible level, do you accept the challenge? Sniff out the next tricky one. Axolotl, you just unlocked a legendary guess. Can you mutate into a master with this next one? Quokka, that smile tells me you nailed it. Cheese it up for this next rare creature. Okapi, jungle royalty, and you knew it. Tarsier, those big eyes didn't miss a beat. Keep your eyes peeled for the next wild guess. Aye, most people say no to that one. Let's tap into this next bizarre creature. Dole, that wild dog didn't fool you. Let's howl into the next mindbender. Nombat, you sucked that one up like a termite. Sniff around this next cryptic creature. Saola, you found the unicorn of answers. Can you track down the next elusive beast? Markor, that's a mountaintop answer. Let's scale another one. Pangolin, you rolled right into that answer. And that's a wrap on our scrambled animal adventure. How many did you get right? If your brain's feeling extra wild right now, that means it worked. Drop your final score in the comments and challenge your friends to beat it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another GeniusQuizArena challenge.